The device in my hand is a OnePlus phone. This is OnePlus Nord in my hand, and this video we are using showing how to use mouse in this OnePlus phone. For doing this, we have a OnePlus Nord phone, and we are going to also take a computer mouse. Yeah. Okay, well, I am going to take this mouse of my computer. Okay, and I am going to connect this our mouse to our OnePlus Nord phone. So we know that this is the USB port. We are normally connecting this with our computer, but in this case, we are going to directly connect with our OnePlus Nord phone. For doing this, you must purchase a Type C to USB converter. I'll show you. You must purchase this type. This is the Type C and to USB converter. You must purchase this, and after that, you must simply connect it with the. This is the. We know that we are normally wrap charging our phone. This is the charging socket in our OnePlus Nord phone. So we must insert this one. Okay. Okay. We must normally insert this one to our phone's charging socket. So you can insert here like this. Okay. And now my mouse, okay, this is my mouse other end, and I am going to connect it with this. I'm going to insert here. Okay, now we are properly inserted, and now if you move the mouse, then you can see that you can see here. Okay, I'm going to move my mouse here, and you can see that the suppose if you want to open the camera, you must simply click here, then you can see that the camera is opening. And if you want to change it to video mode or photo mode or etc., you can do everything from by using this mouse itself. Similarly, if you can press the back button, you can do like this. Suppose if you want to open the system icons, then you must move a mouse and press here, then you can see that system icons, and after that you can simply press. You can simply move like this to open everything, and I'll show you how to move to the next page. Okay, if you want, this is the one page. If you want to move to the next page, then you must, this is the left side of our mouse, so I'm going to press the left side of the mouse like this, and I'm moving to this direction like this. Now you can see that our second page arrived. If you want to move to the next page again, I'm going to press the left side of the mouse like this. I'm not removing the finger. I press like this and simply move to the next pages like this. Similarly, if you want to open everything, you can do by simply clicking here, putting the mouse to this arrow, and you can see that everything appear here. Similarly, if you want to press the back button, you can simply press here, or you can open the various apps also by clicking this. If you want to go to move the home button, you can open from here, and also you can view the all the apps and everything you open, you can check here by clicking here. So we understood how to use mouse in OnePlus Nord phone. So you can also open the setting also by clicking like this. Suppose if you want to open the gallery, you must move the mouse like this and click the gallery here. You can see that the gallery is opening. Similarly, if you want to press the back button, you can press here. Hope this video helps you. For more video updates, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.